Hello guys, today we are going to learn how to find the root of 529. Do you see the number which I've written here? Yeah. Okay, so what do we do here is, it's just a guesswork you can do. We know that 20 square is 400, isn't it? And 25 square is 625. It's just that those numbers are simple and it's easy to remember their square numbers. So we must be knowing that 529, yeah, this lies somewhere between these two numbers. Yes or no? That means the root of 529 lies between 25, isn't it? And what is that number? How do we find that? So let's take 21. We need not to even solve it completely, but just see that 529 has its one place as 9. So which numbers between 20 and 25, when you multiply to self, gives the ones place as 9? Let's try 21. So 21 times 21. Yeah, the ones place is giving us, we need not to multiply it completely. Just know that 21 times 21, when you do, the multiplication of the ones place number gives you 1, which does not match with what we want in 529, that is 9. Let's try for 22 times 22. So the multiplication of the ones place will give us 4, which is again not matching with 529. Let's try 23 times 23. So yeah, you can see that 3 times 3 gives you 9 as a ones place number. So let's multiply that 23 times 23 if it's matching with 529. Yes, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 2 is 6. 6 and 4, 9. Yes, and we got the answer. This is how it worked out. That 23 square, yeah, 23 square is 529, or you can say root of 529 is 23. Did you get this? Yay, this is one method to do it, okay? Now we are going to look at the another method where we will be using the prime factorization. Yeah, prime, it is also called division ladder method by prime numbers or prime factorization. Let's see how do we do that. Okay, so I'm just going to erase this, just quickly note down, and I hope you understood what we have done here. Okay, so yeah, let me erase this. And then we are going to do prime factorization method to find out the root of 529. So how we are going to do that is here. We are going to use that division ladder here. Yeah, I'm going to draw the division ladder. Okay, and here. So let's start with the 529. Okay, can we divide? The smallest prime number is 2, but we know that as 529 has its ones place 9, so we cannot divide it by 2. Let's try divisibility by 3. So let's add all the three numbers. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 9 is